How to change privacy settings on LinkedIn. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. To adjust your public privacy settings on LinkedIn, follow the steps carefully. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome or any web browser and then search for LinkedIn. Log into your account and you can access your public profile in two ways, by clicking on the URL directly or by going to your profile and then selecting Settings and Privacy. So go to this Me icon over here and then go to Settings and Privacy. Now navigate to the third option labeled as Visibility. Here you will find the options to modify your public profile settings. Click on Edit Profile for more details. And in the Edit Visibility section, you can control how your profile appears to the people who are not signed into LinkedIn. Changes you make will also affect how your profile is displayed on search engines, profile badges, and other services like Outlook. You can enable or disable settings related to your name, your phone number, and profile picture. Feel free to adjust any other settings according to your preference from Settings and Privacy section. And that's it. You know now how to update your visibility settings on LinkedIn and how to exactly change privacy settings on LinkedIn as well. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.